Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So many people think you need a ton of money to start a side hustle, but the truth is there are plenty of online side hustles you can start today with no upfront investment, just your time, effort, and maybe a laptop or phone. In this video, I'll share 7 online side hustles that don't require any money to start. Let's jump right in. First up, freelancing. If you can write, design, edit videos, do voiceovers, or even manage social media, you can sell those skills online. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you create a free profile and start offering your services right away. No need for a website or expensive tools. Just list what you can do and start pitching. Number 2, online tutoring. If you're good at a subject, maths, English, science, or even music, you can help others learn. Platforms like tutor.com, Preply, or even creating lessons on Zoom make it simple to get started. Some sites don't even require a teaching degree, just knowledge and good communication skills. Third, print on demand. This is where you design graphics for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, and the printing company does the rest. You don't buy inventory or ship anything. Websites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Merch by Amazon let you upload your designs for free and you earn money when someone makes a purchase. Next, content creation. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or blogging, you can start creating content for free. Over time, you can make money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. It takes consistency and patience, but this is one of the most rewarding side hustles if you stick with it. Number 5, becoming a virtual assistant. Small business owners and entrepreneurs need help with emails, scheduling, research, or social media, and they're willing to pay for it. You don't need special software or an office, just good organization and communication skills. You can find virtual assistant jobs on sites like Belay, Time, etc., or even freelance platforms. Sixth, surveys and user testing. Okay, this won't make you rich, but it's a quick way to earn extra cash. Sites like Swagbucks, Prolific, and user testing pay you to give feedback on websites, apps, or products. It's easy, flexible, and something you can do while watching TV. And finally, affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products or services online, and if someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Impact are all free to join. You can share links on social media, blogs, or even YouTube descriptions. No inventory, no customer service, just referrals. So there you have it. 7 online side hustles you can start today without spending a penny. To recap, freelancing, tutoring, print on demand, content creation, virtual assistant work, surveys and testing, and affiliate marketing. The best part? You don't need to pick just one. You can mix and match depending on your skills and time. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.